Everyone talks about flipping houses, rental properties, and Airbnb, but the real estate moguls who build multi-million-dollar empires think differently. They leverage hidden strategies, invest in overlooked markets, and use other people's money to scale fast. If you want to build a real estate empire, this video will reveal expert tactics that most investors never hear about. 1. The power of control without ownership, the secret of the wealthy. Most people think you need to own property to build wealth in real estate. Wrong. The wealthiest investors control properties without actually owning them outright. How to do it? Master lease agreements. Rent large properties and sublease them for higher profits, Airbnb arbitrage. Sandwich lease options. Control a property with a lease-to-own agreement and sell the contract to an end buyer. Subject to deals. Take over a homeowner's existing mortgage without needing a bank loan. Why this works? You skip traditional financing, avoid large down payments, and scale faster. 2. Invest where the wealthy are quietly buying, forget mainstream markets. Everyone talks about Miami, New York, and Los Angeles, but real estate moguls buy where the next boom is about to happen. Where to look in 2025 and beyond? Zoom towns. Small cities booming due to remote work, Boise, Idaho, and Chattanooga, Tennessee. Logistics hubs. Industrial areas seeing massive Amazon and e-commerce expansion, Memphis, Tennessee, and Columbus, Ohio. College town rentals. Buy near growing universities for consistent rental demand. Secondary markets are expected to grow 30% faster than major metro areas in the next decade. 3. The 5 Property Retirement Plan. Financial freedom in 10 years or less. You don't need 100 properties to become a mogul, you just need the right 5. The 5-step strategy. Buy 5 multi-unit properties with long-term rental potential. Use leverage, OPM other people's money, to scale, bank loans, partnerships, seller financing. Refinance and reinvest profits every 2-3 years. Diversify with short-term and corporate rentals for higher returns. In 10 years, sell 2 properties to clear the debt on the remaining 3. Why this works? You'll own debt-free assets that generate passive income for life. 4. Tax secrets that make real estate moguls millions. Most investors miss out on tax advantages that can save hundreds of thousands of dollars. Expert tax strategies. Cost segregation right-pointing arrow accelerate depreciation to lower your tax bill. 1031 exchanges right-pointing arrow swap properties tax-free to build wealth faster. Opportunity zones right-pointing arrow invest in special areas for huge tax breaks. Real estate professional tax status right-pointing arrow deduct passive losses against active income. Why this works? The tax code rewards real estate investors. Use these loopholes to keep more profits. 5. Build a brand, not just a portfolio, the real mogul mindset. If you want big money deals, you need to build a brand that attracts investors, lenders, and partners. How to establish yourself as a real estate mogul? Create a YouTube channel or podcast right-pointing arrow, share market insights and showcase deals. Network with high net worth individuals right-pointing arrow, join private investor groups, not just local meetups. Leverage social proof right-pointing arrow, showcase past deals to attract larger investors. Why this works? Real estate moguls don't just invest, they build influence to secure unlimited capital. 6. Invest in real estate tech and alternative properties, future trends. Old school real estate investing is changing. The next big opportunities will be in real estate tech and alternative properties. New age investment strategies. Fractional property ownership right-pointing arrow, buy shares in properties through blockchain. Self-storage units right-pointing arrow, low maintenance, high ROI, growing industry. Data center real estate right-pointing arrow, own server space for cloud computing, booming demand. AI-powered property analysis right-pointing arrow, use AI tools to find underpriced deals before others. Why this works? These investments future-proof your portfolio against market shifts. 7. The luxury property hack, live for free while building wealth. Most people pay for housing, but real estate moguls use luxury house hacking to live in high-end properties for free. How it works. Buy a luxury home with extra space, guest house, basement, extra unit. Rent out part of it, Airbnb, executive rental, film location rental. Use rental income to cover the mortgage while living in a high-end property. Why this works. Live in luxury while your tenants pay the bills. This frees up your income to invest in more properties. 8. Build a recession-proof portfolio. How moguls survive market crashes. Moguls don't just make money in a boom, they know how to thrive in downturns too. How to protect your portfolio. Buy properties in recession-resistant sectors, affordable housing, self-storage, senior living. Have multiple exit strategies, flip, rent, lease option. Build a strong cash reserve, 6-12 months of expenses. Lock in long-term fixed-rate mortgages to avoid rising interest rates. Why this works. The market will always have cycles. Prepare in advance and you'll profit in any economy. 9. Use real estate to fund other investments, the mogul playbook. Real estate moguls don't stop at real estate, they use their profits to fund bigger wealth-building moves. How to leverage real estate for other investments. Use rental cash flow to buy dividend-paying stocks for passive income. Sell high appreciation properties to invest in private businesses or tech startups. Use real estate profits to fund land banking, buying land for future development. Why this works. Real estate is the foundation, but true wealth comes from diversifying wisely. The difference between a small investor and a real estate mogul is strategy. If you want to build a real estate empire, you need to control properties without owning them. Invest in markets before they boom. Use tax laws and branding to your advantage. Diversify into alternative real estate and future trends. Which of these strategies will you start using today? Let me know in the comments.